The official hands-on timing for the Galaxy S26 Ultra is now locked in. At the same time, Samsung is aggressively discounting the Galaxy S25 Ultra, making it a tempting alternative right now through verified listings mentioned in this video. With real changes coming to the S26 Ultra and solid deals already live on its predecessor, the timing couldn't be more interesting because Samsung's next move is already unfolding. Samsung isn't just tweaking specs this year. While the overall design of the S26 Ultra has already been confirmed, the launch schedule itself is different. A well-known leaker has confirmed the exact unveiling date, February 25, 2026. That's nearly a full month later than the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which debuted on January 22, 2025. And that delay is only part of the story. For everyday buyers, the wait might be even longer. A French source has now shared regional rollout details, confirming that the Galaxy S26 Ultra, alongside the S26 Plus and base model, will officially go on sale in Europe on March 11, 2026. Accessories will launch alongside them. Compared to past Galaxy releases, this is noticeably late, and it changes how buyers should plan. So realistically, this is how long most users will need to wait before actually holding the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And if that wait feels too long, Samsung's current pricing strategy suddenly makes more sense. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its heavy discounts highlighted in this video, becomes a very real alternative, especially while the next generation remains out of reach. Meanwhile, physical evidence of the S26 Ultra design is already out in the wild. Official slim protective cases have leaked, and they all confirm the same thing. Samsung has changed the look. The era of individually isolated camera rings is over, replaced by a refreshed layout. These cases don't reveal new features, but they quietly lock in the final design direction. There's also news that may disappoint some buyers but excite others. According to testing shared by SemiGuru, early software builds of the Galaxy S26 Plus were evaluated on a rooted device. The findings are promising, especially around display privacy features. For the first time, the AI privacy display isn't limited to the Ultra model, at least not yet. The privacy display appears to be active on the S26 Plus as well, suggesting it may not be an Ultra-exclusive feature. However, the source also made it clear this could change before launch, so nothing is fully guaranteed. Still, for S26 Plus buyers, this is currently a positive signal worth watching closely. Now comes the big question: should S25 Ultra owners upgrade? Side-by-side spec comparisons between the Galaxy S26 Ultra and S25 Ultra reveal meaningful changes, but also a few surprises. From display tech to physical dimensions, Samsung has adjusted several key areas, and not all of them point clearly forward. Both phones feature a 6.9-inch display, but the underlying technology has changed. The S25 Ultra uses Samsung's M13 panel, while the S26 Ultra upgrades to the newer M14. Despite this, peak brightness remains identical at 2600 nits on both models, raising questions about where the real gains in display performance will come from. Performance-wise, the jump is straightforward. The Galaxy S26 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which brings more than just incremental improvements. Memory options include 12 gigs and a 16 gig variant, but there's a catch. The 16 gig version is limited to select markets, with China confirmed as one of them. Outside those regions, even the top-tier 1TB Galaxy S26 Ultra will ship with 12 gigabytes of RAM. Camera hardware tells a mixed story too. While most sensors remain unchanged, the 3x telephoto sees a shift. The aperture is actually better on the S25 Ultra than on the S26 Ultra, marking an unexpected downgrade. Battery capacity stays the same at 5,000 mAh, despite earlier rumors suggesting an increase. Where things finally move forward is charging. Wired charging jumps from 45 watts on the S25 Ultra to 65 watts on the S26 Ultra, and wireless charging improves from 15 watts to 25 watts. Quiet but meaningful upgrades. The S26 Ultra also introduces internal magnets, enabling new accessory compatibility. On top of that, the phone is slimmer and slightly lighter, dropping from 8.2 millimeters in thickness to 7.9 millimeters, and from 218 grams to 214 grams in weight. Small changes on paper, but together they define Samsung's boldest Ultra shift yet.